Hi, happy Tuesday. So today we recommend basically just getting done with all of the stuff for Slaughterhouse 5. So that means finish the reading, do the dirt quiz and questions. That should take you like 30 minutes. It's stuff that you've seen before, like doing triceps, doing a quick like analysis, doing some annotations, and then doing the discussion board. That stuff isn't due until tomorrow, but if you get it all done today, then the rest of the week you can just focus on independent reading. So pretty easy. Um, so really quick, we want to show you what the discussion looks like. It's different than last time. So you're going to click on your class discussion. So if you're in period 1, click on period 1, go to login with Google. It'll prompt you to sign in with your email account. You don't need to like make an account. You just click your Hiawatha Academy's account. And then you post your response by clicking on this green button, and it'll have you create a video. This is the discussion prompt. And we'll post some example videos. We know it's like a little weird feeling to have to post a video online. However, like it's just easier, but also like more fun and better than doing the written discussion like we did during the practice week. So thanks for jumping into that. Okay, have fun.